Hello, today we are going to talk about Bank of India Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Bank of India Home Loan. Having monthly salary which is fit to cover EMI. Applicant age should be between 21 years to 75 years. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 675. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to no limit. Tenure will be 5 years to 30 years for salaried. Rate of interest will be 8.80% to 10.75% in reducing rate. Login fees will be nil. Turnaround time is 3 days for salaried and 7 days for self-employed. Insurance and other charges are nil. Processing fee will be 0.25% of loan amount, minimum 1500 and maximum 20,000 for individual, 0.25% minimum 3,000 and maximum 40,000 of the loan amount for other than individual. Part payment is allowed. Home loan OD product is not allowed. LTV will be 90% market value if loan amount is less than 30 lakh, 80% of market value if loan amount is more than 30 lakh to 70 lakh. Products are new home product, plot purchase plus construction, seller BT, BT plus top-up, home renovation. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. Job experience for salaried person is 2 years. Experience with current employer should be 6 months. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Bank of India Home Loan offers competitive interest rates and flexible repayment options. FOIR will be more than 50,000 and less than 60%, 50,000 less than 1 lakh to 70%, and if more than 1 lakh then 75%. Let's talk about some negative points. In this there is no negative profile. Negative property are other than approved property. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company, or list of partners, if applicant is partnership LLP.